Irani Foreign Minster had said that the international laws are a tool in the hands of Western powers. He said that when Israel attacks on Gaza, then it is not international law. These laws were made by West after the revolution in Russia and China. West was so terrified by imminent revolutions in London, New York and Paris. They worked in series. They started firstly, by postulating so-called international laws. Then tirades surrounding neighbourhoods of USSR, pressurizing Soviet to respond by incurring budgets on defense. Then their fortune came true, and Communist Party got to anti-communism in shape of tenure of Krushive ending in shape of Gorbachove. After breaking USSR, they laughed as unipolar world. In the meanwhile West created so-called jihadi organizations and used them as tools to camouflage for their ulterior motives. And in this way, they engulfed Iraq, Libya and Afghanistan. They snaked Israel to exploit Arabs. They created puppets in Arab states for the grave imperialist purposes. They squeezed Pakistan like dwarf so that Pakistan couldn't appear more than equal to India. They portrayed India a big cat which was factually a tiny mouse. They wanted to say the world look at India so big tiger and Chinese panda is micro ant. At every time they, West, and the USA, used international law and pleas of peace, democracy and humanity. But at every turn, they crushed humanity and peace. However, China tackled these culprits very intelligently and right now China is behaving like a peaceful giant panda, who can turn the US into a rubber baby toy. While Western Europe is like a earthworm for the Chinese panda. Israel is nothing but a pseudo-poisonous tale of imperialism. Netanyahu is using Jewish people on the basis of 11 lost tribes of Bible claiming for Great Israel. It is not for Jewish people. It is to create somehow a big state with ruling Jewish imperialist class with middle Arab rich class. Formula is to crush Iran capturing its oil resources, and then breaking Pakistan with the help of imperialist giant Israel, so that imperialism, governed by the US, may knock the China by so-called Greater Jewish Arab-Israeli Army. For that purpose, imperialism will ignite Chinese Muslims' rights for the purpose of entering into China. Main purpose is to break China, and to root in corrupt Chinese elements in the Chinese Communist Party. Ukraine is a tool to break Russia into further pieces. But it is not the all-time success for imperialism. This time China played its game tactfully. China developed rail track routes and also by roads via Iran to Chinese soil for oil transport and other stuff. The US is so worried by it. That is why the US and Israel targeted this railway line which connects Iran via to China. Same thing could be done by CPAC in Pakistan, but former could not accomplish same under the US pressure. Pakistan can also use land for gas and oil transport from Iran to Pakistan. But world is changing. Now yuan is taking place of dollar. In coming future, many countries will come out of clutches of the Western pressure. Same could be true for Pakistan, if Iran continues to establish its power and China as well as Russia continue to stand against the Western imperialism. As President Trump had said that he didn't care of international laws, then it proves anxiety and losing temper and patience of imperialism. It will definitely, openly and raw-handedly attack on other countries like attacking Venezuela, and arresting its president, like brutally attacking on Iran. They will do more, but hopefully, this time China, Russia, and Iran will make an responding steel wall.